Middle of August. What is it, 17th or something like that? Update. Flowers looking good. They got big. Uh, Two things I'm going to try to show you a picture of uh, when I first got them and now. But Marigold's doing good. Cannas, I still don't know what's going on with these things. This is as far as these flowers open up. This is it. They don't open up anymore. I guess that's how they are. I don't know. Almost fell. But they're getting these weird little balls on them. I don't know what these things are. Very weird. They're all over it. Don't know what they are. Anybody know what they are? But geez, this thing is almost as tall as me, though. Huge. This thing, it's getting these balls too. I don't know what these are. If they're going to be flowers or maybe they're flowers. I don't know. Never really noticed how this flowers, but I'm guessing that's how. But yeah, that looks good. This thing, when I first planted it, it was like sickly. I think I have a picture of it. I'm gonna put it in somewhere. It's amazing. This thing is doing alright. These guys doing pretty good. This thing really got big. Not so much that one, but that one really got big. Just doing some deadheading. But yeah, it's starting to flower too. I don't know. Maybe it's going to seed. I don't know. These guys, yes and no. And I wish I would remember where I got my marigolds from, because some do better than others. Oh, I passed it over. Oh no, I haven't went that way yet. Hold on. Let's go down here. Potting bench. That's getting a little bigger, not too much. This thing, yeah, I don't know. It's not getting too much bigger. There's my rain gauge. Got a little bit of rain last night. Yellow twigs, they're about the same. Not getting much bigger. I haven't really determined if that's part of this plant or not. It looks like it is. Yes, it is, because I'm starting to see little flowers on it that are here. So that's part of that too. So it's getting bigger. It's getting bigger from the bottom, which is cool. The red twigs, they're getting huge. They're really filling in this area really good. They're going to be big, man. Look at this. My sunflower. Remember? The last time it was like nothing. Like it was so small the last time. And look at it. Maybe, just maybe, I might get some sunflowers from it. I guess that's what's going to come up here. I don't know. But man, it just shot up in a couple days. Not this big, but bigger than it was. And if you remember, I think the last time it was in the same pot as the other one, so I divided them up, put them in this bigger pot, and that, I guess, helped them. My marigolds over here are doing good. That thing's doing okay. No more flowers. Here's the other one. They were both in this container, and I split them up and put them in two separate ones. The other one was bigger to begin with, but that's doing good. Radish leaves. Picked radishes today. Pretty big. This thing, my blue-eyed beauties. I don't know if you guys remember. I'll put a picture of this. I was going through some pictures, and when I first got this, oh my god, it was like nothing, like probably like that big, like this big, and it's really getting really big. I really love this thing. I wish it would just, next year I'm going to look for it. I don't know if I can save the seeds, but I really want to plant a lot of that. And we'll wait for that. These marigolds, yeah, they're okay. They're coming back. These marigolds are doing pretty good. My chives, I haven't been picking chives. I should, but I haven't. I should come out and get some for dinner. Anyway, my neighbor put some basil up, which is pretty cool. Let's go to the vegetables. The vegetables are getting smaller, but they're about to get bigger. I just picked a bunch of, so what was in here, in this area here, was radishes in here and in here. So I just picked all them today. And you see they're coming to an end, these guys. I'm going to start clipping them. What I'm looking for are pickles. If there's any pickles on, like here, I'm leaving it. If there's no pickles, then I'm going to cut it and put something else eventually. But yeah, they're coming to an end. I got a good bit of pickles. Enough for, oh man, I don't know how many jars I made. 24, 12, something like that. Quite a bit. That's all I know. Same thing here. I think I got a squirrel that got these seeds that were in here. Son of a gun. Here's some new ones. Pickles. These guys, I'm going to go through these. There's still a few little ones on here, but yeah, I'm going to do the same. Pick them out, and so I'll have two more. Well, there's supposed to be pickles in there, but I think a squirrel got them. I'll see. That was one that I dropped. I don't think I'll plant any more pickles, but I'll put something else in these two pots. These are my replacement pickles. I planted some, I don't know, a couple nights ago, maybe like 4 or 5 nights ago. You can kind of see the little seed right there. How, the hull of the seed kind of still attached. So I'll have pickles here, and I think I'll get maybe one picking, maybe two from them. We'll see. But yeah, quite happy with my pickles. Beets. My sugar beets. These are my sugar beets, man. They are doing so good. You see them there? I'm going to look in here. I think I'm going to clip some of these leaves because I do like eating the leaves and the stems. They're good. And these are really nice. So something I did today with my radishes, I did an omelet, sausage and egg omelet, and I took some radish, put them in the pan too, sliced them up really thin, put them in the pan, and then I took the leaves and I put some of the leaves in my omelet like a lettuce, and it was really good, and I was surprised. But yeah, you can eat the leaves. Eat the leaves. Eat the radish leaves, eat these leaves. Maybe I'll pick up those ones on the ground and bring them in and clean them up and cook them, eat them, whatever. But that's the garden update for mid-August. We'll see what happens with these guys over here and what I do here. Don't know. Don't know. Have to figure it out. I don't have too much time to figure it out though. But we'll do something. Over and out.